In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to craft Heavenly Potion 2 in Sol's Rng Eon 1. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Heavenly Potion 2 can be crafted by going over to Stella, so you will be able to craft not only the Heavenly Potion, but many other different potions available. You will be able to check the materials, make progress, and eventually you can craft one of these. Heavenly Potion 2 in particular will give you a lot of luck for your next row. So you will be able to use them from your inventory and see what your next row gives you. So like I mentioned, you have to go over to Stella. When you visit Stella, you will be able to find the cauldron. This is where you will be able to craft the different potions that Stella has available. So go over to her cauldron, and if you still need to know where it is, you will be able to find a specific path available on various different videos. So when you access this cauldron, you will be able to browse through all of the recipes, including the Heavenly Potion 2 and also Heavenly Potion 1. To my knowledge, you will need to craft the Heavenly Potion 1 before you are able to craft Heavenly Potion 2. So all that you have to do is select it here, it will appear, and then you will be able to see all of the materials. If needed, craft the first one before going over to the second one, and you will be able to access them in your inventory. So all that you have to do is go over to Stella and choose the option to craft the Heavenly Potion 2. You will have other potions available such as Warp Potion, Haste Potion, and so on, but the one that you are looking for will be listed here right underneath Heavenly Potion 1. You can craft any of these, and both of them will give you a lot of luck for your next rows. So make sure that you craft them from Stella's Cauldron and use them from your inventory. You can check the materials at any time and add them by using this menu at the left. I hope I was able to help you on how to craft Heavenly Potion 2 in Sol's Rng Eon 1. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.